Welcome to room 7704. How exciting is this? We are staying at the Cabana Bay Resort here at Orlando, Universal Studios, and we are in the Bayside Tower. So when we first turn right, once we've walked in, we've got a beautiful spacious bathroom. It's got a lovely blue colouring, hand towels, soaps, clean basin, separate room for the toilet and shower, which is always nice when traveling with a big family. We come back in down the corridor and we have a little room to our left. What do we have? A safe, clothes hangers, ironing board and iron. And I'm guessing that's just the other side of that. Yeah, that's exactly the same cupboard there on your left. We have a nice air conditioner system which is inside the room at the top. As we continue forward to the left, we've got a TV, desk, lamp with the coffee maker and a few different selections of coffees. I'm assuming, have a mini fridge. Yes, we do. We've got a little mini fridge down here. Perfect for just putting a few goodies in to keep cool. Definitely going to need that with this Floridian summer heat. In the far corner, we've got a table, little ice bucket with 2 chairs and a nice hanging pendant above. Look at that gorgeous big windows. Wow, and I'm sure it's got a stunning view. Let's open this up. Wow, we can see Universal Studios over there. And we've got a nice water view there. As we turn back around, we can see our 2 double beds. So nice and big, bright, colourful artwork behind, lovely lighting. In between the 2, we've got the phone, a TV remote, and a good old-fashioned analog clock. Hey, a little bit retro, but we're loving it. And a little bit of space to put things underneath. Now, we've got some good PowerPoint access here. 2 PowerPoints on this side, 2 PowerPoints on that side. I think that might do it.